Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. In a pan, we will take 2 cups of dried apricot. In India, we call it jardalu, 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water and bring it to a boil. Let them boil till they get soft. In a separate bowl, we will take 3 tablespoons of custard powder and we will add around 100 ml of cold milk and mix well so that there are no lumps in the mixture. Once it is mixed nicely, in another pan, take around 800 ml of milk. Into it, we will add around 1/4 cup of sugar. You can add more sugar, it's as per your choice. I have added only 1/4 cup as I have added the sugar for my dried apricots also. Now bring it to a boil. Once the mixture has started to boil and the sugar has melted, add in my custard mixture. At this point you have to mix it really well so that it doesn't form lumps at the bottom of the pan. Once the custard has thickened, remove it out of the flame and add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and mix well. Let the custard cool completely. Then we will add in our dried apricot along with the sugar syrup. Mix it very well. Now, after mixing it well, we will transfer it to another bowl and keep it for chilling for around 5 to 6 hours. Serve it chilled. Thank you.